Hi guys! So last time I made a video on the wired keyboard that was multicolored and by Seenda. Well, this time I wanted to check out the wireless version, and what I like about this is that it comes with a mouse. So it matches the keyboard, which I love. I don't have to worry about getting another mouse, and it's made from the same brand. It is very easy to install. There are little tabs right here that you can lift up so you can adjust to a higher level. And with this model, it's different because you can turn on the on and off button right here. You use this USB that they give you. You connect it to your USB port on your laptop or your desktop. I didn't really need to go into my computer to install anything. All I had to do was press some buttons and it started typing right away. This is what it looks like. The colors are amazing. And I love the feel. It's very matted and smooth. The typing is pretty quiet. So if you're gaming or just working and someone nearby is sleeping or you need to be quiet, this is the keyboard for you. And because it is wireless, I don't need to worry about my cats or my dogs playing around with my wires and ruining it. So that definitely saves me the stress and money if ever there were any damages. And because it comes with this mouse, you can tell that it's well made. It's pretty light. Here is the on and off button right here. And if you need the lighting switch, here's the lighting switch. I love the feel of it on my hands. It's very smooth. It is also matted, very lightweight. And if you need to charge it, it comes with this USB cable. So Seenda pretty much provides you everything you need to set this up. It does provide a manual for you if you are having trouble, but it was pretty simple for me. I just installed it within minutes. I got it on Amazon, so I have provided the link in the description below for you if you want to try it and let me know what you think. And also make sure to subscribe, smash the like button and the notification bell on the top so that it'll motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much for your support.